Hey everybody, to find groups that you should join, I find this one is actually best if you go to your mobile device and use the menu and go on down under Explore until you find groups. Once you find groups, it's yellow, you can see, and then there's the button called Discover. When you click on Discover up at the top, you can scroll left. And in this case, I'm using cars and motorcycles as an example. And then this is just the top suggested cars and motorcycle groups that I should join, given my geography, my interest, who I'm friends with, la, la, la. So your results will be different. But I find this is best to do using your mobile phone versus a browser. And there's lots of them, by the way.